If you own an RV, what's behind this door is one of your major expenses. Today, I'm going to show you how you can save up to 20% every time you open this door. Over the past 20 years, a lot of things have changed inside and outside of RVs. But one thing hasn't changed that much: the gas mileage. Yes, if you own a diesel pusher or a diesel pickup truck that's pulling a fifth wheel or a trailer, your gas mileage hasn't really improved that much over the last 10 to 20 years. So what can we do about it? Well, there is one thing that we can do about it. We can buy fuel better. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. We're going to show you a card called TSD Logistics Inc. And what they do is combine the power of all the truckers that are in their program and all the RVers that are in their program, so you can get the best possible prices for your RV. Explorer One, our 2002 Monaco, has a Cummins 330 engine in it, and we're getting about, I'm saying 9.5 miles to the gallon average as we've traveled around the country. Now, this 2003 Beaver, also part of the Monaco group, has a 400 Cummins engine in it with dual or tag axles back there. Now, the owner of this unit tells me he gets about 6-7 miles to the gallon. So in today's marketplace and in today's RV life, it is very, very important to purchase your fuel smartly. Now, spoiler alert, this program that you can use this card for is only for diesel vehicles. That's right, diesel vehicles. And the reason for that is you go in the truck lane at the truck stops. And what that does is it allows you to buy gas at sometimes 20, 30, 40, even 50 cents less than what is the posted price on the outside. So let me show you how this program works. First off, you have to sign up and set your bank account up with the TSD Logistics card. Once you've done that, you then have a card that you can actually put into the pumps at the truck stops, and you can pay for your gas. They will automatically debit your banking account. Now, on top of that, they have the Open Road app. And this app is just incredible because it tells you the gas stations, where they are on the map, and it also tells you how much the price of gas is at each one of those gas stations. Now, the price that you get, the little prices you see here in white, that's the price you pay. That's not the posted price. Let me show you real quick. This is an actual invoice email that they sent to Patty and I just a few weeks ago for the last time we filled up before we came into this campground here in Las Vegas. You can see we saved quite a bit of money from the pump price to what we actually paid. I think it comes out to about 13%. 13% is a lot of money when you're looking at the amount of gas that we use each year. This program has been absolutely incredible for Patty and I. We have saved already over $500 on fuel in just the last 6 months. That's a lot of money when you look at our overall budget. Now, there are a couple of drawbacks to this, but once you get used to the system, it's really, really easy. So you put your card in, and then you have to go through a series of questions. It asks you if you're a reefer truck, if you're a tractor, if you're a lot of other things. There's like 5 different questions there. So you have to know how to answer the questions. It's very simple. Once you do it once or twice, my goodness, it's incredible. And as an added bonus, if you want to take a cash advance of say $100 or $200, you can do it right there at the pump, go inside, and they will hand you the cash and just charge your checking account for it if you need extra cash while you're on the road. So overall, this program has been absolutely incredible. We've referred several people to the program, and all of the people that we've referred have called us and thanked us and said, wow, this has been just great. So all you have to do is go to the link that we put below in the description and sign up for the program. We are not really an affiliate, it's just a referral. So if you put Exploring Through Our Lens in the referral line, then we'll get credit for it. I think they give us a $25 credit for gas or something like that. I'm not even sure what it is, but we'd appreciate it. But if you don't want to, that's okay too. All I'm telling you is if you have a diesel, and it's a pickup truck is fine, a diesel pusher like this beautiful, beautiful unit behind me right now, or a diesel pusher like Explorer 1. It doesn't matter, you are eligible for the program. And it works at almost all of the truck stops. So I'm telling you, this is a program that you seriously ought to look at. Check the link below. It's well worth your time to check it out. From Las Vegas, Nevada, I'm Dan Hunt, saying have a great rest of today and an even better day tomorrow.